Good morning, week 2, day 5. So here we go. Math, you're going to be working on IXL diagnostics. So you're going to step into the arena. Make sure that you are solving each of your problems using either a sheet of paper, or if you don't have paper, use your page marker or some way of solving the problems. Do not just guess. Make sure you stop and make sense of each of the problems. Okay? Then you're going to move on to an addition and subtraction pattern lesson on the interactive worksheets. We've done this before. It's a quick review. I just want to see what you guys remember. Okay, then you're going to go to reading. We're going to read chapters 13 through 15, Mr. Popper's Penguins. Here's the book. If you need it, online dictionary, and then here are the questions that you're going to solve. Okay. Writing, I want you to either continue on your story jumper project or start an informational writing today about something that you're interested in. I don't care what it is. It's completely up to you. Something that you want to know more about. If you have not recorded your own Flipgrid or you don't plan to, that's okay. That's up to you. But check out some of the cool Flipgrids that we had created by our classmates. So take some time, look at those today. And then just like last week, there are additional resources down here. So all these tours and museums and zoos and drawing and music, all that stuff's down here. Reading resources you can get on Epic. You can also go back to the original classroom that we had and do any of those activities. There's some fun math games here. Just make sure you guys continue learning. Okay? As always, if you have questions, make sure that you have your email open so that if you have a question, you can chat with me or video conference with me. We'll also be having our 10 o'clock book discussion. I will add that in. Okay? Have a great day.